So today I am delighted to say that FTT Clinics is open again, and I think I'm one of their first customers, which is mental. But yeah, they'll probably have a stampede in their hands. Everybody desperate to go in and get their top-ups and whatever. So I think I'm going in to get some Botox today. I haven't had any for so long and I'm all liney, as you can see. Yes, I mean I can pretty much go in and she'll tell me what I need, which is probably lots, but I'll go with the priority stuff, which is probably going to be Botox. And I'm quite happy to talk about what I get done,
next right,
which is not a lot, to be honest. Some people get far more than I do. I have a little tweak here and there, and that really is it. Some Botox, I've had a little bit of filler in this area, and I did have a thread lift last year. But that's it. I will
leave the roundabout
let you watch the procedure
exit, then leave the
when we get there.
at...
So it'll take us about half an hour, and then we can watch the treatment and get it done. Hi, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Yep, just use the hand towel and then
You're all organised. What you would be?
have to be.
I'm not wearing a mask.
Right, so if you can put a hairnet on your hair.
Oh, lovely. Thanks for that.
And if you want to take the jacket off, just pop it in the box.
How am I looking?
And then take the box
Stylish.
with you.
Take the box with me.
Yep, and we're going to put this one here.
Right.
You see
Hi! Long time! You like my trendy face mask? Love it! Come on in. So this is Francis.
Hi,
This is my clinic.
FTT.
And I knew they'd be all organised with all the essentials at the door, the face mask and the hand cleanser, so...
Yeah, so we need you to sign the forms for us.
Yep.
This is the COVID-19 one.
I'm not going to specs on, just tell me where.
Right, okay, so I'll get that for you.
Fancy.
Have you had any contact with anyone that's got the COVID-19? Have you been tested for it yourself?
No.
Have you had any symptoms of it
No.
recently? And you've not been away at all?
No.
Just a second there.
So, how many months is that you were closed?
3.5 months.
Oh,
Been closed, so
long time.
long time.
So, did you get the visor?
That's me.
Excellent.
Ready? So what we've had, if you just sign up for
For your treatment.
So what we've been doing, as you know, is doing all online.
Consultations?
So you've done all this, so we're just doing a wee quick check. So we do a lot of video consultations now. So, and then what I've done as a medical practitioner is we have to do all our risk assessments and things like that for Health Improvement Scotland.
Yeah.
We submit that. One of the inspectors goes through it also, and then we get a licence to open, which we did on Monday. So
Superb.
here we are.
Okay, so if I can get you to my back for a while.
Sure.
Just take a picture of those there.
So just relax your head back, relax your head back. So what I'll do is I'll just take off some makeup. So how's lockdown life been for you?
Oh, it's okay. I mean, now school's finished, it's easier. School was a challenge, you know.
Everyone's saying the
Because
same.
it was keeping kids motivated when they've got no pals around them. So I tried my best, and she got the work done, but it was a struggle some days. So now that's done, at least we can relax and not stress so much. But
so we're just going to clear your skin with so what's bothering you most is the wrinkles?
well, wrinkles don't bother me so much as my eyes feeling heavy, Francis.
Yeah.
I mean, I know I have to live with the lens, I realise that.
Do you want a little bit of a lift? We need to be a little bit, not too much from
You said that the last time, and I don't mind that. It's just,
so keep a nice
this does my head in. I just feel like now I'm losing my eyelids.
So
Flashing, flashing. Sorry.
And raise up your eyebrows for me. And squint your eyes at the same time.
Nose.
Right. Do you want me stress ball or you alright?
A what?
We stress ball.
Stress ball. That is cool. Yeah. Okay, thank you. I've had Botox before. It doesn't frighten me at all. Sometimes you can feel a wee nip, but it's nothing. But this helps.
We use very fine little needles. So,
Yeah.
so I'm going to start with forehead, okay? Scratch. I should have asked you if you were alright with needles, okay?
I can't feel a thing, Francis, not a thing.
Excellent. Oh, you're very quiet, concentrating hard.
Can't I feel a thing? Like,
That's
seriously?
excellent. I'm just going to
Yeah.
top of your nose there.
I've never had it there before.
Just a wee bit pulling a little bit there, just to, not much though. There's a lot of people in today saying this is their first trip out apart from the supermarket. So.
Snap. Not been anywhere.
So that's us open now.
Will you be
Is this-
delighted?
Yeah, definitely. And then it's phase 3, I think, tomorrow, isn't it? So most of our other treatments will come back tomorrow as well. So as you know, Laura, this kicks in really, really quite quickly.
Okay.
And then like full treatment, you would say about 2 to 3 weeks. There's the colour. And then we'll get you back in for... Well, we used to get you back in for a checkup. We'll just do that by video as we did the consultation. And that's it. All done. So
Easy
treatment
peasy.
here. Right, go ahead and transfer.
Amazing.
So it's a prescription drug, so you should only really, as you know, dentists, doctors and nurses
Yep.
that deliver that. And a medical clinic.
I'm asked all the time where I go for treatment. The reason I come here is because I just totally trust that they're completely professional. You can see yourself today we're back after lockdown. They've got all the necessary equipment, gear on, visor, and I just know that's always going to be the case when I come here. Plus it's painless, which helps.
And you good results.
Yeah, it's great results and it's friendly, they don't feel intimidated, so it's all good.
All good. That's you there. So, we just
Thank you so much.
Just down you come, and if you take your box, just pop it back on the stool, and then just out to the right hand side. Clean all sort you out.
So, just out of FTT Clinics, had my Botox done. I can't wait to see the results. It takes, I think, after about 4 or 5 days you start to see results. Not optimum results, because that's going to take maybe 10 days to 2 weeks, but I definitely notice a difference after a few days, 4 or 5. Yeah, and it's such a lovely feeling because your skin just feels like it's tightening and just starting to smooth out. And a few different areas today that I don't usually get, like she did some injections here, so we'll see what that does. And it's been a while since I've been in there, so I've really missed getting little treatments here and there, even facials and getting my skincare and stuff. So I will come back and I'll let you know how the face is looking after it starts to kick in. And if you've got any questions, please comment in the comments below. And if there's any kind of worries you have about getting injectables and Botox, I have been going for a long time there and getting Botox for quite a while, so please ask away. There's nothing to be afraid of if you're in the right hands, it's amazing. Okay, so that's it. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.